Morning team, Ismash, everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's installment, we are installing a clothesline stanchion pole or something like that. And yeah, me and Pineda there on site. This matter, clothesline. I believe they call them stanchions. Stanchions are poles or any little thing like that. So these are for our friend here. So one I go right here, so we Pineda dig, and another one I go over there. So right, so it a turn, or so it a turn. So alright, let's get it. Try pull it now. If you can touch the top of the pole, it's supposed to alright. Yeah. Once you can touch the top of the pole. Still too high. Okay. The bottom of the pole reach down at the bottom of the hole. Bend something a little bit and see if you can touch it up now. What you mean, man? See how out that, because you don't want it too low for like sheet and anything that touch the ground, you know.
Oh, 1 inch more now.
1 inch more?
Would I do around the edge?
So you want me to dig?
Yeah, just run it. Go look at me.
Alright, man.
Bottom man still not really touch the ground.
Bottom man not touch the ground.
Just dig out around and make them go down more.
I say shovel you want then. Just use the shovel and creep you out and make them go down a little more.
Yeah, all that.
Alright. As long as if you walk up on stone, tell me I'm get for just not scrap.
What's the good of something?
What's the good? Let's see that one. So I decided we have done this today, you know, regardless of the challenges. So you want me to go and just dig this? Makes sense, right? Yeah. Alright then. Alright, man, forward. What's going on around here?
Just over there, 2 inch. I was just over there, I'm like around the side.
Alright, we're pouring the concrete now. Down there, as you can see, we compact it. The bottom of the pole here, we kind of hook it to the ground. We put some rebars down there for hold the pole, so like hook it to the ground, you know, to support this. I know we are pour this, but at first, I'm going to show you when Pineda come. We're going to wet this. Because the concrete can't really hold dirt itself. So you have to wet it first. So we're going to wet inside, then we add the concrete to that. Yeah. Alright guys, 5 hours later. I joke, man, 5 hours later, about an hour later we finish. Finish with that, we make that cure a little bit, then we're going to put some dirt on it and pretty him up, make it look nice. So I'm going to stand one pole. And this is the other. Make that cure, put some dirt over it, make it look nice. hope if you don't fully understand how to install a pole, or at least have an idea. Courtesy of Ismash. Yeah, let's get it. Turn this up. Team Ismash, it has been like 4 days now since me installed the poles. Over the weekend I've been down in St. Catherine whole entire weekend, as you guys can see this up on my shirt. You know, we laid my aunt to rest, my cousin's mother, my close cousin. And probably now when I vlogs her before, I'm not sure. Lay female mother to rest, and this weekend I just never did one vlog, you know, the morning or nothing like that. But it was a deep weekend, brother, especially for my cousin. I feel it like none other, brother. Like I feel it. So this weekend I never vlog, and that's why I never drop something Saturday or Sunday or something like that. I never vlog this weekend because I look out for my cousin. I'm down there. The entire family come down, who come from overseas, who come from the western side of the parish, from the eastern side of the parish, southern, other, whatever. All of them come one place, and you know, we had a vibe this weekend. And we're back at work this morning, today, Monday morning. I'm going back by the site today to have a look at the poles and also do whatever else that is needed to be done. I'm supposed to go back to Mr. Stewart. This morning I could have swear we don't move on the new side, so I did all the way on the other side of the parish, and then I get a call. I say, alright, I'm back at Chilani. So I head back at Chilani, but I do something for my mother first in my lunchtime, and then head back at Chilani. Otherwise than that, my day all of vibes. Guys, I have something to tell you. Yo, I did try keep it as a secret, but I did buy this pickup, you know? I try buy this pickup from a lady, and me and her agree. Like, we shook hands to a price, a time, and a date, or we're gonna exchange every single thing. And the lady, you know, she not lie, she never give me no sign or anything shaky. And then I go view the truck. I never drive it, I just look on it and say, alright. I tell her a price, she said no. So she goes up, boop, and she give me another price. I say, alright. And then come to find out, she kind of want to buy a newer van to the one that she did have. And she did want to strip off some things off that one, and she did want to sell me and put it on the new one. So I say, what? And you want to give me for that price there? I never know that. And I like, you did advertise, you did do that, you advertise the van as the van. So I say, yo, I can't do so much. This me I gotta do, because you gotta strip down your van. Blah 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 blah. Come to find out, say things are up on that one here can't fit on the new one them. And she say, alright, you go bump the price a little bit. I say, alright, cool. Shake on to another price. Say, alright, a morning more on the van. A morning she shoot me a text and say, yo, she try to act like a new van that she want to buy. She have to get something for it first before she sell the truck here. I be like, I want to the lady, she want to sell the van or not. And then after that now, I shoot her a text 2 days after, because she didn't get back to me none at all. And after I shoot her a text like a Monday morning. Hold on, this milk's gonna pass me. So after that now, like after 2 or 3 days after, she shoot me a text early in the morning. After I shoot her a text the night, she shoot me a text early in the morning, say she sell the van. Somebody offer more. I say, woman, you're an idiot or something. You're waste of time. I see the business, brother. If me say, yo, me have X amount of money for give for your van, I may shake onto it, brother. Why the frig me I gotta jump up and give more money than we claim my van even valid? I'm not to check nothing, brother. I just look on the van and say, yo, I want it, and this may give for truck. Somebody must offer more money, and she not come back to me as the first person she had deal with. Have a run up and down, have a grow. I say, alright, I almost add a couple things to the truck, brother. I almost add a couple things to the truck. Sure think me that I get the truck, but I'm going to say, book, text me, say sell the truck, and she will look out for me if anything. But yo, me nearly tell her some things where probably if me and her meet up back in the future, she do something to me. Big man thing, me never feel so disrespectful in my entire life. I'm gonna show you truck. It is a Mitsubishi L200. I'm showing you a photo of it. As you guys can see, yeah, let's make that focus. Them are actually 1.5. Fit and me and I shake on 1.4 or 1 point something like that. And apparently somebody offer 1.5 and she give a van that will come back to me and see your grand. You can do 1.5, you can do this, you can do that. You can really wanted the van. We need the van as a matter of fact. And I like my favorite truck them, the L200 them, especially the 08 to 010 model. And the woman said, yo, I'm showing you one, brother. I don't know if one I wanna know this one. The van clean, brother. But it ready. Cash at hand, brother. And the lady said it one. Sell the rotted one. Brother, I feel it. So I'm still a look at pick up. The car here is for sale, the Understream. This is for sale. Ish. And yeah, that me want telling her. So I'm gonna help my mother. How did I call me? Travis did I call my mother. I'm gonna help my mother do something right now. Or do some business or something like that. Then I go back down inside and we look on the pole and I conclude that vlog here. Yeah. Alright, so journey with me, yo, that non-stop vlogging thing, you know. Morning again. It's a new day. And we're back on site, Hold on. So who cut down the palm tree here, brother? Palm tree can't sell it, brother. Anyways, we're back on the site when I did a show in my last vlog. Obviously then start level out this thing. So, 3 levels to this then. 3 levels to this. This work, then do this over the weekend. Whilst when they done at St. Catherine. As you can see, 3 levels to it. One up there, so another one here. So look like it's gonna be a 3-story thing. It's a marl thing too. Only for marl up on the street here, you know. Whole lot of marl. So, most of not to wake up yet today. It is about 5 something in the morning or 6 something in the morning. I stop by just to peep again and see what go on. Because I'm here, so work going over a weekend. As you guys can see, place change up, no? Place change up. See if I can get a thumbnail right there. So. Alright, off to work now.